Warriors of Compliance, the moment you've been waiting for has arrived. Hey everybody, it's Mike Frieder here from On-Call Compliance Solutions. And in today's video, I'm thrilled to unveil the ultimate solution that's going to reshape the way you conquer DFARS, NIST SP 800-171, and CMMC certification. Get ready to witness a revolution that's been years in the making. Hey, we've heard your struggles, and we understand the hurdles you faced on your journey to compliance excellence. That's why we've taken our commitment to your success to the next level by crafting a system that's going to empower you, equip you, and elevate your confidence like never before. Introducing the ultimate do-it-yourself DFARS, NIST SP 800-171, and CMMC Level 1 and 2 system. Your path to achieving compliance greatness without the headaches, without breaking the bank, and without compromising on quality. Imagine having a complete arsenal of resources at your fingertips, from recommended solutions and expert guides to pre-written policies and step-by-step instructions. This system has been meticulously designed to hold your hand through every detail, whether you're a big player or a small warrior in the defense industry. But that's not all. This system isn't just about getting compliant. It's about unleashing the true power of compliance as your secret weapon. With the bonus materials included, you'll gain insights into strategies that will help you win more defense work with higher profit margins. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? Well, there isn't one. We're here to change the game, and that includes making this program as accessible as possible. The investment for this complete system is a fraction of what you pay for traditional consultants, and it comes with a powerful advantage: an entire year of technical support right from us and our certified Cyber AB compliance experts. Now, our team at On-Call is standing by, ready to assist you on your journey to compliance greatness. Remember, this isn't just a course, it's a transformational experience that's backed by over 20 years of expertise in the industry. Are you ready to take control of your compliance destiny right now? Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Head over to OnCallAcademy.com right now and secure your spot in the ultimate do-it-yourself DFARS, NIST SP 800-171, and CMMC Level 1 and 2 system. It's right there at OnCallAcademy.com. But here's the kicker. This special offer won't last forever. You've got to act now to secure your access at the incredibly low introductory price. And remember that you're not just investing in compliance, you're investing in the future security and growth of your company and the defense industry as a whole. Stay tuned for our final video where we'll reveal a surprise that'll take your journey to the next level. This isn't just about compliance, it's about empowerment, transformation, and becoming the hero of your compliance story. Don't wait another moment. Head to OnCallAcademy.com now and secure your access to the ultimate do-it-yourself DFARS, NIST SP 800-171, and CMMC Level 1 and 2 system. Your compliance revolution starts right now.